Hello, welcome to our booth setup tutorial. As you can see, the platform guides you through the setup process in steps. Step 1 allows you to edit your booth name, add your university profile and upload your logo. Step 2 allows you to select your booth template. You can tick the Show Dimensions button to see the size of the assets you need to upload. Please note that these have to be uploaded in the number order shown, otherwise your booth won't appear in the exhibition hall. You are also able to link each graphic externally if you would like to do so. In step 3, you can add up to 7 external links. These can direct prospective students to your course listings or social media channels, for example. Moving on, step 4 allows you to upload up to 10 documents by dropping the files into the upload box. In the past, adding these has increased exhibitor leads by just under 10%. You can also add videos here. Simply enter your YouTube or Vimeo URL. Please ensure the file titles include your institution name so it's easier for students to spot these when using the FAIR's search function. In step 5, you can add your booth representatives by selecting Add User and filling in their details. Please include your institution name in each profile so it's easier for students to spot your reps on the day. You can also specify the times each rep is online. These details can be updated at any time using this link. Step 6 allows you to review your booth. Once you're happy with it, simply click Submit. You can view what your booth looks like in the exhibition hall by visiting www.postgradlive.vfairs.com and logging in with the rep credentials added in Step 5. You may want to screenshot the booth and share it on social media to attract students on the day. I hope you have found this video useful. If you have any questions, please email events@finduniversity.com and we'll be more than happy to help.